Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Do It with Sammy. In case this is your first time here in my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out whenever I post any new video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you all how you can change your profile into the professional mode. You know, professional mode recently came to Nigeria and most people don't really know how to switch their profile into the Facebook professional mode. But in today's video, I'll teach you all you need to know about it, like how to switch your profile from non-professional to professional mode. Just make sure you stick to the end of the video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the video. So to do that, you locate your Facebook app. It should be the main app, not Facebook Lite. Understand? Facebook Lite doesn't really have that feature. Locate your Facebook app, like as you can see here. I'm opening the Facebook app now. Okay, let's open it now. Just watch what we are going to do. Okay, this is my profile. As you can see, it's already in Facebook professional mode. It's already on Facebook professional mode, as you can see here. It has all these view tools, and these are the number of followers, these are the number of people I'm following, and so on. So what you do is just you locate these three lines. I'm not talking about this one that says my baby featuring young kids. Locate the second line here. You tap on it. As you can see, it's very simple to do. When you tap on that three lines there, when you tap on it, you see list of options. You see edit, warning. Then just go straight to this place that says turn on. Why my own is in turn off is because I've already turned on the Facebook professional mode. That's why my own is showing turn off. But in your own case, what you see here is turn on Facebook professional mode. So what you do is to just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will now ask you if you really want to turn on to the Facebook professional mode, like some confirmation. Once you accept it, your Facebook will now be converted into the Facebook professional mode. But there's something that you need to know. It's not every account that is eligible for this Facebook professional mode, as some people was kind of complaining that they didn't see it, that they didn't see the option to turn on or turn off the Facebook professional mode. In case you check your own and you don't see it, then that means your Facebook is not yet eligible. It's not eligible doesn't mean that it will not, like that it will stay like that forever. Definitely your own time will come for you to come back to Facebook professional mode. So that's just all for today's video. Kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I post any video, you'll be able to get notified about it. Once again, this is How to Do It with Sammy. We treat everything, every technical issues for you all. See you in my next video.